The SafePack application has been developed to effectively monitor the temperature readings of a medical cargo. This application can already be downloaded on the Play Market and installed on any phone under the Android operating system. The Bluetooth app finds all temperature sensors within a 50 meters radius of the mobile phone. Now, to control the temperature, you do not need to open the cargo again. The application receives information on the temperature mode inside the thermal container in real time. The SafePack app is part of BioCard's comprehensive temperature-controlled transport solution. In addition to the application, the kit also includes a thermal container and the temperature sensor. Moreover, the SafePack sensor can be part of the container, or it can be installed as a separate element. If the temperature approaches the limits of the set mode, you will hear a sound warning and a quick action. When there are several sensors on connection, the SafePack application finds them all and automatically monitors the temperature mode of each one. The application has the ability to generate and save a PDF report for each sensor for any period of time on the road.